This is my soapbox. Portland, Oregon, the Northwest.
Since his name has been in the news, Jeremy Christian has made a point of making his voice heard.
Free speech or die, Portland. You got no safe place.
Liar. You're not the only black person on Max. Liar. Manufactured hate crimes since 2017.
Now, the question remains, will the self-described white nationalist and free speech advocate take the stand in his own defense? All right, let's break down Jeremy Christian's rights in this situation. We've all heard the phrase plead the fifth, right? Well, that refers to the Fifth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, and under it, a defendant cannot be compelled or forced to incriminate themselves, and they also just can't be forced to testify. So that said, Christian could waive that right if he really wants to take the stand. And in this case, court documents show Christian already admits to a lot of what police and prosecutors say happened. He admits on the evening of May 26, 2017, he boarded a crowded MAX train and yelled racist things. He admits he saw two black teenage girls on board, one wearing a hijab. Witnesses say he yelled at them. Christian says he didn't, in particular, target anyone. Then he admits to stabbing three men who intervened or stood nearby. Ricky Best and Talisha Nomkai Meche died. Micah Fletcher was wounded but survived.
Two very good people lost their lives that day. And I am very injured both physically and mentally.
All that said, Christian is pleading not guilty by reason of mental disease or defect. His lawyers claim he suffers from mental illness and lacked the capacity to know what he was doing.
Liar.
On the official questionnaire filled out by every potential juror in this case, Christian's name is listed as a possible witness for the defense. The questionnaire also asks jurors whether they feel a defendant who is innocent should testify. Tuesday, with Christian watching, lawyers drilled down further, asking potential jurors if a defendant didn't testify, would it taint their ability to be impartial? So far, Christian's attorneys, public defenders, have not made their plans clear. Legally, they don't have to. In fact, Christian and his team could make the call during the course of the trial. KGW has brought on board a team of legal analysts, lawyers not connected to this case, to help us cover the trial. Defense attorney Bob Weaver told us he does not expect Christian to take the stand. Defense attorney Lisa Ludwig agreed and added this.
A client is really one witness in a complex incident with lots of witnesses. Their part of the story can be kind of small compared to all of the other pieces of information you kind of have to process and analyze and use to come up with your defense.
Opening statements are set for Tuesday. Maggie Vespa, KGW News.